So I carefully request you all to listen for the next couple of slides very carefully. So the very first is eligibility criteria for Wipro NLTH, which has been already announced, right? So the eligibility criteria is you should be 2022 passing out students. The qualification must be BE, BTech, ME or MTech. Any student from any branch is eligible except few branches from food technology and other from the engineering. So they are not allowed for this particular branch. Your designation, your job profile when you will be getting selected into a Wipro will be project engineer. The package that Wipro is offering you all is rupees 3.50 lakhs per annum, and there will be a 12 months of service agreement which you have to sign at the time of joining. So even if you want to break that service agreement within the time of 12 months, you have to give the compensation of around 75,000. So these are all the eligibility criteria and all the details. Regarding the percentages, all those students who are having the 60% aggregate right from their 10th standard to their final year of graduation, they all are eligible for this particular campus drive. Year gap of more than 3 years is not allowed. So you can have year gaps, but below 3 years. At the time of joining the company, you must clear all of your backlogs, all of your arrears must be cleared at the time of joining. Okay. So these are the basic eligibility criteria where you can check whether are you yourself eligible for the Wipro NLTH, yes or no. And then you can all set to go ahead to start your preparation right from to understand the pattern for the Wipro NLTH. So students, this is a pattern for the Wipro NLTH test. The very first procedure is registration, where your resume is very essential and very important, and I urge you all to prepare the fantastic resume for all of you guys, all of you students, because many of the students commit a huge lot of mistakes over there. What they usually do is they go to the internet, they just search on a particular resume, particular format which is not at all suitable for their particular profile, for that particular projects, for their particular details, but even they copy and paste that particular format and they try to copy and paste their data into that particular resume, which is not at all going to work out for that. So don't do that. Prepare your own customized resume that will really help you to crack the final interview, because at the time of final interview the same resume will be referred over there. So you must remember that you should design and prepare the final resume at the time of registration. You must also remember you are entering the right academic details. So in the written test, the very first section will be aptitude, reasoning, verbal. So these 3 sections will be containing of the 48 minutes. Then essay writing section will be also there, which is of the 20 minutes time duration. Okay, and then the next round, further round, is of the hands-on coding round, which will be having the 2 codes to write, and along with the 2 codes you will be also given the 60 minutes of time in which you have to write 2 minutes of code, right? So I am also going to explain, I am also going to tell you what kind of codes will be there which will be asked in the Wipro NLTH test, so that accordingly you will be able to understand how can you prepare for all those coding round, hands-on coding. So it is very important for all the students, all the students from mechanical and electrical, civil, to understand how can they prepare for the coding round, because they don't have the coding background, they don't have the prior knowledge of the programming. So it is very challenging and very important for all of them to understand how can they prepare for the coding round. So don't worry, stay tuned in the entire presentation, stay tuned in the entire growth class. I am also going to cover about the important tricks, important things of how can you all students prepare for the coding round as well. Okay, so let's go ahead. So the coding round will be having the hands-on coding session, and which will be having 2 codes and 60-minute time duration, and the last very important is technical and HR interview. So here also again you want to have all the project details ready along with you. You should have a fantastic attractive resume which will create a wonderful impression on an interviewer, because that matters the most, that matters a lot when it comes to the final interview, because that is what actually going to make a huge impact on the interviewer, because resume itself gives you an idea about what you have done so far in the entire course, what you have, how you have how you have spent your entire college life, how you have done various activities, and that itself indicates about all the qualities of a particular student. So that carries a huge lot of importance, huge lot of essence when it comes to the final interview. So you all must remember that you all must have a strong resume built with you all. And don't worry, at the end of this growth class I am also going to tell you about our course which will help you to crack the Wipro NLTH for this season. Okay, and into that course as well we will be helping you to crack your final interview. We will be also conducting one-on-one technical interviews, one-on-one HR interview. In that we will be handholding, we will be helping you out to prepare for all the upcoming drives as well as all the drives of Wipro NLTA as well. So we will be handholding, we will be helping you out with the technical and HR interview as well. So let's get ahead, let's get started with the next one. To understand how many number of questions will be asked from the each section. So quantitative aptitude, there will be 16 questions, 16 minutes. From the logical reasoning, there will be 14 questions, 14 minutes. From English and verbal ability, there will be 22 questions, 22 minutes. And essay writing sections, there will be one essay which will be having the time duration of 20 minutes. And again in the coding section, you have the 2 codes to write and the time duration is again 60 minutes. So this is the section wise number of question count and how can you go section wise into that particular thing, and so that accordingly you will be able to prepare. Now let's get ahead to understand what will be asked in a particular section. To start with the very first, that is the quantitative aptitude. So these are the basic section wise segregation which I have done to let you know, let you understand how the section wise segregation of the questions have been done and how that will help you to prepare for the Wipro NLTH. So the very first section is the basic aptitude, which covers all the fundamental concepts of the aptitude and all the further sections of aptitude, right from business aptitude, time rate work, geometry, relative speed. All these things requires all the concepts from the basic aptitude that will enable you to solve all the questions of rest other all sections very quickly. So the basic aptitude covers the percentages, averages, ratio, HCF and LCM. So all of these chapters, all of these topics will be covered in the basic aptitude. The second is business aptitude, which covers profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. As I have told you, it is nothing but the application of percentages which will be covered in the business aptitude. The third is the relative speed, which mostly covers about the problems on speed, time, distance, problems on trains, problems on the races, problems on boats and streams. So these all the types will be covered in the relative speed. So this is also a very important section from the perspective of Wipro. Then in the geometry section, the questions of geometry, coordinate geometry, mensuration, 3D diagrams, those questions will be asked in the geometry section. In the combinatoric section, the questions from the permutation, combination and the probability will be asked. So, and in the last section of time rate work and pipes and systems, the questions of time rate work will be asked. So, the questions of time rate work will be like man A can complete the work in 10 days, man B can complete a work in 20 days. So, if both of them have started working together, in how many days they can complete their work. So, all of these questions will be there, all of these type of questions will be there in the time rate work problems. In the same way, rest of other problems will be covered. Now, it is very important to understand all of these sections and all of these topics are there for the TCS exam as well. So, you need not to study something very differently. What you have to do is, you have to just go through previously and frequently asked questions of Wipro, NLTH, and accordingly you have to put your efforts into that direction, because the questions won't be neither from a very low difficulty level and nor they will be from a very high difficulty level. So the questions will be of moderate difficulty level. So accordingly you have to make your preparation plan and you have to make your preparation ready along with you. So into our course, as it has been represented in front of you, all the videos, practice videos, concept videos, and practice problems have been segregated into these different sections. So that helps students to understand each and every question topic wise, to understand each and every question section wise, and that segregations helps them a lot more to understand the basics, fundamentals of that particular section, that particular part, and accordingly they can put their efforts to master into that particular section, because that won't happen, students. From the day one of your preparation, you can start solving the mock test, and from that you will try to figure out your gray areas, your weak areas, and that will keep on happening. That won't at all happen. You have to go part wise, you have to go section wise, and then only you will be able to master on the particular sections, particular parts, and then finally you can go and give the mock test where you can evaluate your own performance. So this section wise performance, section wise practice, section wise preparation plan will really help you to understand your weak areas and work upon them. So in our course for Wipro NLTS, we will be really handholding you to go your walkthrough section wise and part wise as well. So let's go ahead to understand the very important thing from the logical reasoning. So what will be asked in the logical reasoning? The very first thing is analytical reasoning, in which the question from blood relation, direction scenes, arrangements, data interpretation, chronometry, these all the questions will be there. So because in the analytical reasoning, most of the time analytical reasoning covers the questions which are based on the data analysis. So that itself means you have to complete your analysis of the data which has been given in a particular question, and according to that analysis, according to the diagram that you have made, you have to answer all the questions. So questions on blood relation, data interpretation, arrangements, all of these things will be covered in the analytical reasoning. And again in the logical reasoning, letter series, number series, analogy, true false statements, then syllogism, word inference, all of these things will be covered in the logical reasoning. So again in the reasoning section, again it has been segregated into a different parts, different sections, and accordingly you can prepare for the exam of Wipro NLTH. Okay. Then the third very challenging section for many of the students who have been who have not been through this verbal ability things till now. Again that has been segregated into 3 different sections. The very first is vocabulary, the second is grammar, and the third is comprehension. So in the vocabulary we will be covering synonyms, antonyms, articles, prepositions. In the grammar we will be covering like tenses, parts of speech, voices, error identification. All of these things will be covered in the basic grammar. And then in the comprehension we will be covering the reading comprehension, fill in the blanks, all of these questions. Again, many of the topics are overlapped with the preparation of TCS as well as preparation with Wipro. Now it is very important to understand how can you simultaneously prepare for both of them. And I am damn sure that if you enroll into a course, if you show your interest to enroll into the course and to go ahead with that particular course, I am damn sure that we are all set to help you out with each and everything that you feel difficult in the entire course. So we are there to help you out into our course. So let us understand what are the course details, what we are offering to you in the entire course, which will help you to crack the Wipro NLTH. So the very first thing is we are providing you the self-paced videos, that is the pre-recorded videos of around 40 plus hours, which covers the fundamental concepts of the quantitative aptitude, fundamental concepts of the reasoning ability, fundamental concepts of the verbal ability, right? And along with that, there are around solutions of 500 practice problems on all of these topics. So that we will be covering the 40 plus hours of self-paced videos. We will be covering the live sessions of around 20 plus hours. In the live sessions, we will be covering your sessions on how to write an effective essay. So because That is a very important section of the Wipro NLTH exam. So we will be handholding you, we will be helping you out to write your effective essay into that particular Wipro NLTH exam. So we will be helping you out with that as well. We will be conducting you around 5 mock tests, okay, and the explanations of all those mock tests will be conducted into this 20 plus hours of live sessions. So you will be having 40 plus hours of self-paced content, you will be having 20 plus hours of live sessions, you will be having the 5 mock tests along with the solutions. We will be also conducting their solution sessions in the live. Then you will be having given the access of more than 2000 practice problems, out of which 500 problems have the solutions ready along with them. So you will be all set to crack the Wipro NLTH with this particular course, okay. So this course is available on our Android application Shikuya, which is available on the Play Store. So you can download that application and you can purchase the course, you can get enrolled into the course, and I'm damn sure that you all are really cracking the cracking the Wipro NLTH exam this year, okay. So this is our 3P formula, where in the first we all enable you to prepare with the help of all the self-paced videos, with the help of all those content which are enabling you which are being accessed by you in the application. We are giving you the platform to prepare. The second thing is your practice. So with the help of mock test, with the help of practice problems, you all are practicing all that you have prepared. And the very third thing is perform. So we have the 3P formula: prepare, practice and perform. And I'm damn sure that if you go through all of these 3 stages, you will be all set to crack the Wipro NLTH. So I request you all to just go to the description of this video. I have given a Google form link over there. So just register yourself and the entire team will be able to get back to you regarding all these things. I'm very excited to see you on the other side in the course, and thanks a lot.